Sasa pongezi.
Karibu sana. Karibu sana.
This is the Mtalii Bush Camp.
Finally. The long journey that started in January
Yes.
has come to completion.
Yes.
Of course, not yet complete,
Mm.
but at least we can enjoy some good time here.
Yes.
Sema, how was your journey?
That was not bad.
Uh-huh.
Tunakuja tu vizuri.
This
It's not far from the road. Just opposite the airstrip. Yeah.
Sasa, this is where I've been chilling
Oh, great.
the whole season of
Yes.
Christmas. Karibu kiti.
Asante sana.
Wacha nikuitishie. Ina sync but ikifika hapo iko sawa.
Good. How is everything?
Sisi tuko salama. This has just been chill vibes.
Yes.
Wacha niitishe ka drink.
Yes.
So we are looking for horses and quad bikes.
Oh, nice.
Sijui ama kuna best yako anaweza kuwa akona horse extra. I know you have the Big Boys Club.
The Big Boys Club. Unataka horse white ama za kala gani?
I want a mix of both white and brown horses.
Yes.
Karibu
Nice.
sana.
Yes.
We've just finished breakfast, but it's time for brunch. Hey, kwanza cheers to the journey. To the journey, not just of you coming to Nairobi,
Yes.
but for you walking with me through the journey. Nakumbuka January.
Yes.
This was their land. Na sasa it's a beautiful facility.
Yes. The views are very good. It's heavenly. Like the place. A place for peace.
Kwanza I can see you're already in hiking shoes. Tutakutembeza huku kwa msitu leo.
Okay.
Breathe fresh air for...
Kuna wanyama huko ndani?
Yeah, we have elephants, we have buffaloes, we have zebras, gazelles, giraffes. Yeah, but they are not harmful. And then when you're taking the walk, they are rangers to take you in the mountains.
Okay.
You can imagine, for all the 15 years when things were not as they are this year, I never did this. So, sijui next ni nini sasa.
Next.
Like if I could do this every year, you can imagine in 15 years nitakuwa wapi?
Absolutely.
Nitakuwa na Marriott Group.
It's just the beginning of greatness.
Okay.
Pongezi.
Sawa.
Pongezi sana.